Some people, I have two videos I go share with you. Seen one with Queenie and RT Boss. Me say people, hell broke loose panda one day, Them go on with one piece of sitting with people, them kick off wicked. RT Boss go make the mistake and mention Dowey in a little disrespectful way. Cha. Yo, people, you know wait to soon see what go on. I tell you, say hell broke loose. Hell and powder house, people. See? So we're going to get into that. Plus, Coco, the same person when we did talk to you about in the previous video before this one. She and her ex kick off. Seeing them always at odds ever since them left. You see me I say? So, for those who don't know about Coco and her ex, actually I don't have no picture of the ex, but in the video I'm going to show you with Coco a cuss her out, when I go see her picture in the background. You see me I say? Them call her Froggy. I don't remember what her right name on TikTok is. You see it, but she was a girl in a Coco life where look like say she a try to buy her way in her life. You know what I mean? She love her off and I try to impress her with money. But it look like say she never that rich. She find some way to get money to buy her. I think she buy her a Louis Vuitton purse and buy her some other things. You see me? But all along, me never think say Coco did want her still. You see me? Then some things go on and then break up. It's a long story, so I'm not going to get into the long story. Maybe while you now watch the video, I tell you a little piece and piece. So she must see, the ex-girlfriend you know, is like, she did pay one youth on TikTok for bring down Coco the Tick. Then the youth expose her pictures them and come back to Coco the Tick and tell Coco the Tick everything where she, the ex-girlfriend, did tell him and tell Coco the Tick say boy, as she pay him for bring her down and all these things. Now the same youth, it look like say him and the ex link up again and the ex pay more money and him a bring down Coco again. I spread rumor say she drop out. You see me I say, and that she have the big A. You know what that is? The AIDS. You see me I say? Yes, so we are going to get into that first and then we get in a Queenie and RT Boss festivity. So, we're going to start it off with Coco the Tick.
I wanna talk about some of them and have kids and I give man kids and oh, me about man and them so there. When you come and act like so no dumb to what is happening? Why you come and act like so no dumb like say me I go live and I bring down them people? Like you know the city boy go live and I bring me down.
Say girl, she a
and I talk about me dead. And RIP to me and all of them something there. You're going to put yourself in a lot of fucking problem. Remember see a prison body now and the prison go save you still. Remember me tell you say you all out now go blood clot go down. Remember me blood clot tell you that.
No.
Enough of this shit now. Me got through enough now, me done. That new chapter me move on. What the fuck this have to stop, it have to stop, it have to stop, it have to stop.
No.
Me not owe you nothing, I never stole anything from you. Leave me alone. How morning. Yeah, what you say your ear say no? So somebody called you this morning and tell us I'm dead? Last night somebody called you and tell us I'm dead?
Yeah.
We have to deal with this. We have to deal with this. You know, say the big fat girl from Canada do all of this. The big fat sour girl from Canada do all of this. What me tell you about? Is she doing it? Is she doing it? Is she paying the boy We do it, but the boy there Jamaica right now, but me want to know when they feel whole blood clot him, can I try locate him, but me nah blood clot locate him, man. Me say we're ready for them. And the big fat sour girl I do it, and the same big fat ugly woman I tell about from Canada I do it. And she I do it. Is she?
You see the boy where she attack, I think him TikTok page is Rich and Talk. Something like that. Rich and Talk. I think him live America. You see me? I think I saw him TikTok name, but me no remember what fear TikTok name. So I see that on the screen. You see me? Them call her Froggy. Money can't buy love.
Is she paying all sorts of people to come and every minute them next fake page and come and attack me. Every minute them next fake page and come and attack me and talk about how me rob up our money to open store. Me do this, Look how long me I work when me buy me car. Me no buy me car from me about 21. Me no buy me car much years ago. Me no depend me own from me at 18. Long time me depend my own. Long time me depend my own. Long time. Me I'll get my visa the other day. Me come a foreign. Me get my visa, you know. Me get my visa. That's good. Me get my visa, me go Miami the other day. From November, me a focus on my business. And as me start travel, this fucking bitch, she come. She make all sorts of posts about how me dead. As me come back from foreign. Why as me come back from foreign, you have to start with this? Eh? Bad mind, big sour. You want to see the woman ugly too. But she didn't want meet family. She didn't want meet family. Could I really carry this coming to know? Eh?
See people, money can't buy love. You hear that?
Oh
I tell you
you
that.
gotta do better than that. You're so beautiful for that. For real. You know? Mm-mm. No. You know? Yeah.
Who that?
So she and this girl, them go through a lot of people, you know what I mean? Because she has said the girl obsessed with her and the girl keep telling her lies.
Is she doing all of this still, you know? Is she? And what she have been doing is she have been paying multiple people to tear me down. Let me get the message February 13, and I say, what are all this I text me? Come to find out that the boy, him same one I text on my phone and torment me. I send RIP flyer to me. So when me see this up, me ignore it. From here say, me know say them, you know. So me ignore it. Just to find out say one of my friends them a send me say somebody there for live I bring me down. Me go up there, me watch it and me not say nothing at all. I be a fake page, the big ugly sour girl still I make same way. Where they on me for? Where they on me same way for? The girl I'll go tell the people them like, oh me take 9,000 out her purse. This woman come to Jamaica hungry as fuck. Me have to carry her girl MoneyGram. What the fuck is 9 bands, bro? You're talking to me and me I talk to. You know how much fucking 9,000 I mean me throughout my life? You come tell me about me rob 9,000 from you? From you?
Jamaican or Canadian? Who want to know if a Jamaican or Canadian? Well, look to me like a Canadian. You see me, I say because the girl, she did a play big. You understand? If you try to win over Coco the Tick. And it did a work for a period of time. You see me, I say until the relationship gets shaky. So she started tell Coco a lot of things about she being sick because she wants sympathy and she want to draw Coco closer to her. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, me not think Coco did want her still. Maybe because she did spend the money, she say, alright, I'm go and see what she's all about. But it looked like say she was so obsessed where she had do certain things where Coco never like. You understand? So that caused them for part ways. See? So them did break up one at a time, right? And then she just fly come to Jamaica to try get back Coco the tick because she stay from Canada, you know. So this is for all of the people them when I know what go on, me I keep you know what I mean, I tell you know what go on. So she stay from Canada propose to her. I saw you go. I think she stay from Canada, propose to her. You see me I say? And then come out here when them break up cause Coco tell her say yo everything is off, she don't want her no more, whatever. She fly come to Jamaica with a ring and bring her go on nice hotel. I don't remember which hotel them did go. And she proposed to her with a nice ring. You understand me? So she spent a piece of food on Coco. You see me? She spent a piece of food on her, but when she see say all of that mash up, the money where she spend gone to waste because Coco no want her, you know what I mean? Then the whole of the foolishness get worse because it did that happen while them attack. You understand? She did a make fake page and I say some things to her and all these things. I one bag of mess me people. You see it? So it look like she see Coco fly out go America and come back. So you know what I mean? She want her some more.
She's a thief. She's a wicked, she's a criminal, and she got prison already for scam and fraud. So it look like say a fraud, she didn't want fraud me. Eh? Yes, she got prison for scam and fraud because she live in a half house in Canada. It's a stocky. She not have shit. So it's like India that try to come now to come try to come rob me of what me have, and because it don't work out now, she a try to defame my character, but it has to stop. The same boy was she a pay leak or naked picture them in a daddy. The same boy. And cuss her out and apologize to me. I'll never picture this girl take and post up on the internet, my father. I'll never picture.
So never our
grandfather.
grandfather.
The girl that do one heap of fucking drama from last year to all of this. And she still a come back with the bumper clad fucker brother.
She almost start.
Me send her the number. Last year them post up never last 70 odd year old. What can never do to anybody? When them poor never is 70 odd year old. This girl buy clothes and boots and care can give never 1 shoes and 2 trousers care can give the man and 2 look socks. And of course the man both them hungry. Never having 10-year visa when him hardly even travel. And the other day me and him attack and him say he want to go back to America because he have to travel for a couple times because that's so them say you have to use your visa. Never no short and nothing at all, never working job or alright. Take the man picture, screenshot the man picture when time me post the man. About the man and people are disgrace the old man and tear down the man. What you want from me? What the fuck you want from me? Me not wear nothing at all. You come here, you have your intention, it don't work. What the fuck you tear me down for?
That's
what
why
you tear me down for?
That's why you not really take things from people if you not plan to be with them, you know. If you don't want them, don't take them things. You see what I say? And if you find out, say, I buy them, I try buy you, and you know, say you don't want them, don't take them things. You see me?
She's sick. She tattoo me name 2 times. 2 times the bitch tattoo me name. Yes. The girl tattoo me name 2 times. 2 times, and I have to tell him, say, look here. Him say, I'm going to tattoo my face. Me say, you can't tattoo my face. And my face, that you can't put my face for your body. You're mad, man.
No.
Before me meet the girl want to do all of them, so yeah, before me meet this woman tattoo me name 2 times. 2 times.
Sean rock to blow.
2 times.
Okay, that
She's
Sean
sick.
rock. Tattoo
If you
blue
tattoo
face.
somebody name 2 times before you meet them.
Face for your body.
And they want tattoo them face.
A drama people. Me I tell you, a whole
No,
heap of
no,
sitting go on
no.
between
What
them.
I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the state and I report she and the boy. Me report she and the boy. Cause the boy there Jamaica, but that's why me can't locate him up. Me ever see if none of me if me know that if no police good enough, we can try find the part him there. Me then lock up in blood clot. Enough of this now. And it's so weird. This boy apologized last year and say him sorry to me and Neville and say oh then find out say the girl are wicked and then come back now and still they promise same way. How much money you want? Or are you hungry sir? Oh, you hungry, sir?
I think that video they on the
No,
channel,
in there Jamaica, but he might try to make it look like saying there Jamaica, but in there Jamaica. He's in Jamaica. I told me no one post up them from my page, me not find out when they because people willing to tell me about them there, you know. It's easy to find him, you know. But you me can't bother to post them energy from my page, yeah. When me I try to promote my business and I try to sell me local clothes them. Me don't want this energy from business, but me not post them from my page them. But this is getting from bad to worse.
Judge. So, people, as she made see and done in the vibes last year also. You see me? And I think, yeah,
Sister,
she come back
you
and
know
say some
her?
things too.
Oh, you know her? Okay. Mm-hmm. That I don't spoilers.
So, Dan said something about her last night when me did a share with you in a video before this. So me I say she and Dan kick off and whatever. So she you know when she had all of this, she referenced Dan name, but me never catch the name like record it. But me did a watch and hear she a reference Dan name. She said like a same way the one when name Dan did come on the internet like she big, bold and bad or whatever and see the she have a quat. You know what I mean? So as me did I tell you before, she and Dan did at it also and it get messy too. So we're gonna leave off for this and we're gonna go up on the queen and the boss. Alright. So see the showdown my people. Get to no popcorn or whatever you need. Forget cause that one here hot like fire. Run go get to no popcorn. When I go in a minute, make you run go get whatever you need. Forget because that one here hot and fiery. Queenie get out. Queenie go through all of the emotions them with RT boss my people. All of the emotions them. Angry, sad, she crying and also yeah, angry and sad. She got through the whole of them there. So, make we get into it, cause why? This is a roller coaster of emotions in people and cussing, So, I hope you get one forget already. So, make we do it,
Do not work any witchcraft for Queenie with no do it. If I'm me alone, he would have never come back. And I'm not here to talk about him. I'm talking about Queenie. So just making it clear so you could understand, say, you need to get it. If I'm me alone, he would have never
And
come back.
also
So if
laugh
you
too.
sit down and
So,
think
she
say
got
we
through
work
all of the
witchcraft, come on, look at that
emotions
something.
them.
That's not in the game. That's not in
Angry,
that. Just dash
sad,
that part out there.
and happy.
Alright? So you just nobody think about that. Me and Queenie was just natural friend as you hear everybody talk. But Queenie, but as I say, people more express myself, but you see me, I don't really want to say much, but because I don't want Queenie feel offended, because when me talk Queenie, I go feel vexed.
So if you're going
Watch your
to
talk.
talk for my feel best, I better talk, brother man.
But I
Then
talk,
I
brother
ask you
man.
a question, Queenie. If you have
Don't
a
mash
friend
up
and
the
you say you're
friendship,
never a friend,
RT, because I never had a look at you, never had a look. So you're not supposed to have no
Warning.
problem with me with my
no,
relationship. Whether you,
but no, this is what I
RT,
said
if
before you
you're going
judge
to make
me.
me a mash up because you're going to make my relationship be a problem, you're not going to be no friend to
Listen
me.
what I said before you
So,
judge
but
me,
talk, brother. Don't
But
talk,
Listen what I
RT.
say,
yo,
Listen what I say.
the man ready for
You
court.
me your friendship not have to mash up, darling, because me have
But if you're
ready
going to
mash it
say
up from
something that's
that.
going to
But
make
we're
me
not talking
vex,
about that. We're not
RT,
talking. Well,
don't
I know.
say,
Listen up,
darling,
Queenie.
RT.
We're not talking.
Listen,
Let me
I
just say something now.
respect you. Listen to me. I respect you. I want you to respect the fact that I respect you. I don't care about you and my husband. You see, if my sister, you and my husband, it's a go cause clash between me because I go back with my husband, Artie. I'm gonna choose wisely
No, but
because
you don't
you're
have to
my friend.
choose. All right, this is that. Let me have a conversation. When you finish
Wait,
that,
you are my friend, Artie. So shouldn't be a problem with me and my husband. So I rather, if I respectfully being friend, me I choose wisely when me I say because me no want me you get out of an Artie more. You know, say me your friend, I'm not dump you because my husband is my husband and my friend is my friend.
me can't talk now.
Yeah.
This friendship bill on your husband wasn't there and not standing beside you, knowing that the fact that your husband is here, you notice you get one tick, me block and delete myself. Me only here to tell you and your fans them. Me love you same way and I'm no problem with you as a friend, but I'm not here to interact in this one bag of clown thing because I'm not agree with it. So me just start my mind there. But I
Well, you know, I
cannot tell you what to
agree with
do. Let me
Artie.
finish what I said and then you talk. No, let me finish what I said. But
Choose
I
your words
cannot
careful,
tell
RT
you
boss.
what to do with your life, and I'm not in no position to tell you what to do with your life. I have to just sit and watch everybody else work it out just like how you work it out. So we just have to watch. But since I am in the spotlight, I voice my opinion and brawling and booing. Me not take my money, give nobody but take mine, nobody when me no like your time.
Artie, me don't want no more of your money. Remember, you promised me to buy battery before do it come back in that picture. Artie, me ring, me look for my one. I remember you not give me your money. I work your work for my money. I work for your money, Artie. So Artie, keep the rest of your money because I don't get some already. Me no want none of your money. Me not come to Canada with you.
So I start with people. I start and now. You see me I say and Queenie did done tell RT boss, say RT boss, if you are go have certain type of stipulation, if me and you deal, no deal with me, then and if you are go have certain things where you not go want me for do. You know what I mean? Like if you are go talk against do it. Or if you are do things and feel like say if my husband link me, me nah go talk to him. Nobody feel like say that I go on. So she make sure caution him before everything, you know.
Office survive work for my money. I work for your money, RT. So RT, keep the rest of your money because I don't get some already. Me no want none of your money. Me not come to Canada with you. And me. Have to survive. When one door closes, many more open, RT. You can't just come into my life 3 months.
Canada again.
After me the on this land and rain how long, RT, how you feel like? I save my money, my daughter dead left money give my RT. Me rich in a spirit, me rich in a money. You can't blackmail me with money, RT. Me's never a materialistic woman. What you mean by you not give me none of your money? You don't mind me? Me that work for you for promote your song. You never mind me, RT. Keep your blood clot money and go look somebody else to give you money and don't pass your place, but you not agree or you not give me none of your money. Anything me have for me and my husband. So
So
Black.
you
anybody who
see,
don't
you see,
want to
this
do
is
with
where
me,
that's why
no,
I
no,
say
no,
me never
don't
want
give
to
me
talk
no,
to
no,
you.
no,
You say,
don't put me.
you say,
I willing for suck salt too.
so oh
Wooden
yeah,
spoon.
play ignorant
Me
queenie. You say
build
me
me
no
talk.
talk.
None of blood clot to no can blackmail me no. Go ahead. My
Oh, you
husband.
say,
Yeah,
RT,
no.
you say
keep
me
your
to
money.
talk.
RT,
Well, I
you're
know.
not richer than me, RT.
Well, I know.
Keep your money, but you not give money for mine.
All right.
RT,
So
you
you
better
say me
mind me.
talk. All
You
right, people.
pay
She
me
say me
for
talk.
come promote your song.
So you ask me a question. I'm advise my opinion. So why
I'm
we
tell
can't
you, say, I
talk
did
it
not tell you,
out?
so you know where your taxes. So what you mean by you not take up your
But
money
but
and give me?
but nobody don't say anything disrespectful. I say anything, but you know, you me advise my opinion and I tell you where me I come
I may
from, and you are tell
advise
me where you are
back
come
my
from.
opinion and I tell you how me
Exactly.
feel. I tell you, say, you new moon with your money where you come in just with the end of December. When last you give me a check, RT? When last you send money to me?
Can I finish it when
From
I tell
you
you
left
to
Jamaica,
answer back your
you send
question?
me $1, RT?
The reason
From where you
why I
come across
say
about
that,
money, RT?
hold
Me I
on, no
talk to you. From you
Queenie,
left Jamaica, you send me
so
$1. No, come
you
and
what? All
promote
right,
your song. So I work, RT. Don't do that,
all
RT,
right. Tell
like
me
you
when me
don't
for
mind
talk.
me.
Tell me when me for talk. You
From
can,
your
you
left
know, we are.
Jamaica, you don't send $1 to me cash up, RT. So what are you saying? Are you my RT? Me, my own boss. Me, my own
All
boss.
right,
Me have my own money. Me have
Queenie,
more than
wait,
one bank to
Queenie.
book, RT. Nobody can blackmail me. Me a bougie bitch.
All right, you notice it. You notice me a conversation upon the same level
Don't
of
play
how
with
it was
Queenie in
before.
our T
Me not get
boss.
over you.
RT, me
Me
not
not get
notice nothing,
disrespectful.
RT.
Me not get blasted. Me stay
RT
upon the same level. You
can't
notice?
class me.
No, me just
Listen,
a try to show
RT,
you
don't tell
nothing
RT
a
class.
change
Tell
in the
RT, don't tell RT man I'm
conversation.
a friend to.
Nothing not change that.
RT keep
Nothing not.
him
Hold on. No.
richness to himself.
Listen
If I
up.
hear riches,
So
you
you
should have
ask
used
me,
that hold me. Your
Queenie,
riches
me
can't
talk to
hold
you.
my RT.
You ask me.
Ah,
My
boy.
opinion, me say it, you are talk back. So me say what me I say, me not disrespect nobody, but me have to say my part. It might sound a little bit harsh,
Me not
but me understand say my
come
part.
on
Me
to
not disrespect
Canada
nobody.
with you. Me not want to do no booking with you. Since as you feel like say, you can use your booking than your monitor for monitor. Me nobody can
So
monitor. Me
how we
have a
reach
course
there,
and
so all right.
RT.
So Queenie, you are saying things don't make sense like we're arguing. You call me up here and you ask me something and me I tell. Why you make it seem like me come here and
Why you
cuss
gonna
you?
come
Me
say
can
you
cuss you,
not
but me
spend your
not
money
cuss you
for me
without talking.
because what you mean by that, RT?
That's why if you
What
hear
you
me
mean by you not?
out,
What did you
hear me
say?
out now before you start jump and don't get ignorant because your husband come out because I don't want you feel like you use your ignorance say your husband come because I don't want to come out for you. Me I hold my composure. Me choose my words them carefully. Me I talk to you when I this your husband and me I start class I say things when I reach this so I am saying to you say me come up here and everybody want to hear my view. Me say, all right, me say what me for saying at that line. You respond, you never like it. Okay? Me say what me say. Me not gonna come up
So
here and I say
RT,
what me
you
want to say.
work.
So, people, RT boss spend a little money with Queenie, for promotion and them something there. And him help her kind of lift her spirit when she was down. You understand? So, we can't take that from him. But as far as when it come to her and Dewey, maybe at first, before Dewey and Queenie, I think both we get back together, RT boss did a try to keep Queenie away from Dewey. But it look like say him see say him can't do that. So him did a try, but him could have stop it. You understand? So Queenie really have to give him props. If you know say him see her and see say boy she was down and out and him come lift her spirit. So him have to get that. But at the end of the day, Queenie don't have no manners to nobody but do it. Not even do it. She don't have no manners to. But the person where she have 100% loyalty to is do it. You know what I mean? And as she said before, say, yo, me we pick Dewey over anybody. Me feel like say she put Dewey before her kids them. Wanna tell me if I saw nothing to.
This
Me say, all right, me say what me for saying at that line. You respond, you never like it. Okay? Me say what me say. Me not gonna come up
so
here and I say
RT,
what me
you
want to say. So
work.
that's the
You
only
employ
problem.
me for work within December. You don't think it's cheeky if you tell me as an independent woman this day say you know work with me, give me none of your money
So
because
So
me
how
go
you how
back
you
to my
how you say
husband.
I never no I never
So
say
you
I'm
have
not working with
blackmail
them
me
again.
on
How
the
you come
strike
by
art.
Canada? Hold on no
RT
man, you
and the
talk too
blackmail in
fast,
that
man.
fuck
And I
art.
say,
I
oh.
work me that work. So when
How
the
you
work
come
that
by
is done,
Canada?
what if people out there will pay me for work?
So how you come with Canada a while ago? How you come up with Canada? I didn't put you on
Me
a
now
show.
better
The
come on
people
to
them
Canada.
say,
Then it's RT now you are sponsor me for go Canada.
but I never
So what
mentioned
gonna
nothing
say?
about
I'm
Canada.
going back to my husband. RT me not coming to
Yeah,
Canada
but
with
I
you. Me
did not
reach and
say anything about
RT
Canada.
have
I'm
different
not
for
keeping
me.
anything in Canada, darling.
What?
I did not say anything about Canada a while ago, and I'm not keeping anything in Canada. You're booked for a show in Canada. That
RT,
has
me
anything to
tell
do
you
with
this
me.
man
If you
upon the
don't
last
want to
one will
go, that's
just
fine.
feed me. I want to pass on a place, me this one about listen. You
So
know if you
which
say nothing about
place me
Canada. That's
pass
not
now?
your idea. Wait.
All right,
That is
which
the
place
idea.
me pass
Remember,
me I get
why
touch
you
at
think
this
me
day?
ask you when last you give me money? Wait.
Which place me?
Why you think me ask you when last you give me money?
The
Because
only
since
thing
I'm
me
say
say,
you
all
not
right, you
give
know,
nobody
man.
no money. And
Me
that is
only
saying
thing
RT,
me
you
say
not
me
give me your
now
money
stay here
because
and my money give you. You take mine your waste man. That's all me say. Me couldn't say bad thing and me say
RT,
one thing. Me not say nothing
you're a
else.
waste man.
That's
You're a
what
waste man.
you
RT, you
never like.
can't call my husband waste
No,
man.
but
RT,
me
when you
one
reach and
word.
I'm
Me
I
say
tell
going
you
to give me
money
me
in
your
the
hear
back
money.
one
Me
room.
thing
come
alone. Me say
Canada
me
with
make
you.
you cuss. Me not say nothing else.
RT, me not sell my soul. Me that diff.
People. And I hairdresser shop Queenie there. And me have a little clip with she in the hairdresser shop and thing. You know what I mean? With our hairdresser. But music did I play in the background. Me I tell you say, you see the people them in the hairdresser shop right now, I be a laugh them a laugh after Queenie. Remember me tell you see the woman in the background, you see her, she a whole her laugh. Remember me tell you, see the whole of them a laugh after her.
Oh, you make it. Me
Me
love you
sell
make
you
a
out
talk, you know.
like everybody for do it right now.
Alright, me
You
love
don't
you
know that.
make it something else.
RT, me not sell my soul. Me that different
But
woman
I
RT.
love you make it. Me
Me
love you
sell
make
you
a
out
talk, you know.
like everybody for do it right now.
Alright, me
You
love
don't
Really?
you
know that.
make it talk.
So why are you trying to force me to be what I am not? RT, I am who I am. I say I'm loyal. If I lose everything, me I go lose it, RT.
So,
You can't
but
call my
this is what
husband
I'm
waste man
saying
and
to
come
you.
to Canada with
Alright,
you.
one at a time,
You know, come
bro.
on.
Make people.
So you mean, Canada
One
come
at
in. You think you
a
can
time when people
come
them there
by
with
and
you.
come discriminate my husband? No, me and him a rebuild, but now me run come to Canada with you. Me have do for go Canada with RT. Me have change my
So who
mind.
you see, you're talking, you see, oh, Queenie, you're talking something when
Yeah.
I'm not
You
understand.
never
When you
know
say
when you
me,
come and say.
Them say
You
love is
never know when you
blind.
come trouble me. I'm say, RT, if you're going to say something for me, you cuss, don't say it.
but
If
you
you
can't
want a
tell me
friendship,
you're
you don't
not
want
come
a
Canada,
friendship.
you're not
You
come
want the
Canada to me.
excitement on the internet. You don't want a friendship from me. Remember me one, you know, RT. I said, RT, I am choosing very wisely because you are my friend.
It's
And
not
I
like you
appreciate you
want
know
choose,
what to
and you
say
come
to
like because
me.
you want cause me because I one thing me saying you just a name up. This is how me you always talk.
But you're
Before your
not giving me no
husband
money,
come,
RT. You
you
pay
cuss
me for
me,
my
you
career. You
talk,
pay
I'm
me
gonna
for my
give you the
dollar
upper
TV.
hand.
You're
So I
not
don't
giving me no
understand
money
why
for
you get
my
so
waste
extra in
man.
the cussing.
I am waste man, RT. No matter how much money you have, you're a waste man. Cause that the speech where you make a loan, RT.
All right, so
Don't be a fool
all
on
right,
the
so
money, RT.
let me say this. Let me say this to the people. Let me just say this before I'm gonna further. People, the reason why I
I'm
say the
glad me
waste
never
man topic
fuck
is,
you and me never
let me
ever
say
look
this.
to fuck
I
you.
don't want to
Cause
come
you
up
talk about
here.
waste man. You're the
I
biggest
don't want to
kettle
come
man,
up
me
here. Let me
know.
just tell me, say now Queenie make it up like yeah, make it look like I this man this, and not this, Me just attack or me that address my story and you fire back. And you are addressing your
I
husband
couldn't
topic. So
break
me
the
just say
phone
what me
now.
say, so why you going
But
to
from the
Canada and
fight
go
when I get
everywhere?
to love
Me
a
still have to
man.
talk how me
You
feel or
know,
you reach a
you
Canada.
know, just to love somebody. Look how much people are fighting me. I'm in a love
But
them. I want my artists to leave me the fuck alone. Me don't want none of the money to come suck me. Me don't want nothing from none of them. Leave me alone. My
the
people they
Queenie.
will mind me
All
for
right,
hungry. I
calm
wear
down a
my
little. Let me
own
ask you a
problem.
question.
I
How
will
you reach that?
survive.
How
Me
you
don't
reach
want
at the
none of them.
Canada?
Me don't want to leave
How
me
you reach at
alone.
the
Me don't want
Canada
help from
part?
nobody. Me love
Calm
my
down, calm
husband
down,
and me
calm
not
down.
make nobody diss him and come back to me.
Calm down,
Leave
calm
me
down. All right, me say what
the
me say. Let
fuck
me move
alone. I
on.
don't want to do no business. You know why you come over, you come. You humiliate me. Like
I
you're
what,
my
what me
auntie. Leave me.
what
I
me do?
want my work with you, my auntie.
Hey, you see what me get
Because
in
you have the
return just because
talent.
me say what people I
You
want on
never
the
give
record.
me
I
that
want to be
handout.
say,
You think you
I mean
can
could have
that
said
close
word
me?
I mean never say. I mean have not be my real self. I mean I
Me don't
try
want
to
none of them
and
give me
Queenie
no
make you
hand.
get me a this
You
do
know,
something bad.
where?
Me try not even to be my real self. Me take my time. Me not say nothing bad and Queen make you get myself something bad.
Archie,
She
you
you
said
disrespect me and
something
me
bad.
take the
You're rude,
disrespect.
Archie. You're not going to come up here come insult me. Come and insult your wife. Archie, you know what you're doing? I'm going to diss up your blood clot wife. Understand yourself.
Don't go
Archie,
in
if you
at that
don't tell the
violence. Don't
truth
go.
what you're going to say.
Don't do
You don't
that.
have no
Don't do
secret
that,
for me
Queenie.
now. Walk my work
Queenie,
and
yeah.
the work
Let me go
done.
away. Cause
And you're
you
not
get
giving me
too
back no more
hostile.
coke and you want
You get
control me.
when
How
you
long
get
you
so
gone
hostile and
to
support
America
over
now? When
one man.
last you
When
give
you
one
doing so
cookie?
let me
Whether
disrespect.
you
I one thing
empty
me say no.
blood clot Canada promise. You know, I'm going to come out to people them place. Archie, leave me alone.
Hey, you know why me not gonna say nothing because me understand
You
your
know,
husband and him not say
come
nothing
over
to
here,
him
come
because you
class
know
for
me name
husband no
bad
more,
as
Archie. Me
a
have enough of
me
pussy
stay
chat.
by you. Me stay
Anytime
by
you
you.
say nothing about my husband, I go, this your wife. Can know what you want. Do
Alright,
not
hear
come
me
over
now.
here, Archie. Don't mess up me and your friendship for get involved with Dewey yourself. You and Dewey go back, got trace. Don't come from here, come trouble my husband, Archie. It's rude. Last
So
week you tell me
you
to
don't argue with
talk
the
about my
people them.
racial.
Alright, so why you don't
Can't put me
tell the people them?
in
Why,
me
why don't
not
you
talk
denounce the
about
topic and tell the people?
Hey, leave me,
Queenie, calm down now. Me could have a conversation so me can hear you and the people them can hear you. Calm down now. Calm down. If I
I
did come
see me
up
tell you
here,
don't talk about my husband. Don't.
let me tell you, because you're not, if you hear me out here, we see where me I come from. I want you to hear me
Archie, I
before you
don't,
can
I
think
when me
and
see
judge.
me blind, me no want to see. Me no
I
want to
come
hear it.
up
Said nothing,
here,
Archie.
you never expect, you know, Queenie, you and the fans would never expect me would have come up here and say me a friend and I say,
People, We just have to know say our Queenie that and Queenie love Dewey no matter what. You understand? So if you try go between Dewey and Queenie, she a go cuss you out. You see me? This woman love the dog right down to the last. You see me I say? So people just have to accept that because I do believe her kids accept it. They maybe not like it, but them accept it. Because one thing me love about our kids them, you never hear none of them say nothing. Me never hear it. You see me I say none of them never come on the internet and say nothing about them mother and I do it. You see me I say whatever maybe them not like, them maybe talk to or just keep it to themselves. And that me like about them still. And them kind of stay off of the media it look like. So people, we have to just love Queenie and know say or Queenie and do with that. And nothing can come between them. As long as Dewey want her, she a go want him and she a go defend him all when him no want her. You see it? I just saw she love him.
And fine.
There is
Come up
nothing
here.
RT.
You never expect you mean Queenie, you and the fans will never expect me to come up here and say me a friend and I say what me to say. Me say my one point. Okay, me ya argue right. I don't like me they are disrespect or say
I'm
anything. Me
alone
sure
for
know your
cuss do it. I'm
husband.
not
Now me say
alone
what me say
nobody
no.
for cuss
Me
do it. You
sure know
can't
well
cuss
I
me
know
and my
Queenie.
husband waste
Me
man. I'm
sure know
a
your
husband.
husband hear
You
what me
man a
say
waste
and if
man,
I
you married
watch
to
me and
me.
you how we angle with things. So that mean me not diss nobody. Me just attack my little view as how me see it in the whole show thing. So you are make it be like I'm here bringing down your husband and bringing down. You put me on a different door and
Why
I'm
you
gonna say I'm
calling
gonna
him a
tell you
waste
say
man and say you're not giving him more bookings because whatever you say RT is
I
rude,
never
you
say
know.
about no bookings. I did not say that and ask the
I
people
same
them. I
thing
did
you
not
talk
mention
about. See,
about
I
no
do
booking.
look at Canada something for me. You want to
I
say,
never
in your
mentioned
mind,
no
why
about no
think me talk
Canada
about
show
Canada
or
to you?
nothing, lady. I never
RT
mentioned nothing
that you
about
have in
Canada.
your mind, I say, after I spend so much money for Queenie go to Canada,
I
I
better you
that you have in
say
your
that no.
RT,
It
you're
better
not for Canada,
you say
I
it
got
about
your
your
thing.
Queenie. Queenie, it better you say it about you. I better you say it about you because I spend up too much money you now go. But don't tell me say it about me because I never say it. So better you tell me say, Auntie, me know say you spend up enough money and I now go, so that must bother you. But
Me
you
never
tell me
tell
that.
him I
But
go, you
don't say
know.
that to
Me
me.
tell you when you trouble me a while ago. But me and you never make no nago plan. But that is why
But
you're
if me
using to
never trouble
blackmail my
you,
RT. I'm very independent. Nobody can blackmail my RT. Me think like a you. You saw your rotten car, you have your money. I saw my rotten to RT. I somebody calling out figure 900 US to read them and then rent with you run them. Cause you know how to make a next 900 US. I am the same like you RT. RT me make over. Me not if it's come back in how much me make out of your RT. But that not mean to say true me make it is a thing when me make RT if you did sign me I don't mind me know me that forgot consider. Because me sign agreement, me not sign agreement with nobody. I do it alone, me sign agreement with RT.
yeah, but Queen, let me say something to you. As a
Me
business
have to start
team,
queen
as
protect
what
our
you do a while
king.
ago, let me tell you something, Queenie.
That a true.
You make my team spend
A king
4,000
protect
US
him
dollar
queen.
and you're gonna make them
Sure.
nervous now because them I wonder what the fuck I'm reaching at an argument here with this and me
And
have to
vice
get
versa.
lawyer to remove this
So
and
yeah, what do
I
we
am
have to do
lawyer
with
for
me here
lawyer
about
do this.
Canada? May
Like
I
for
ask you?
you even go in at that now, Queenie, you make the team them nervous because them realize now that this argument look like it dead serious because why Queenie get into that?
So wait
Queenie,
then,
let me
me
tell you
busy
something.
RT,
Queenie,
let me tell you something.
let me just say this.
RT, the
Queenie, all
world
my
know
life
me for
people
be
sue me. So
queenie.
I don't know if you
So
sue me,
if
me
your
go to that
team of
try hell.
Canada watch me from my son no one give me the Canada visa, so be it RT.
Yeah, but I'm not
Well, when
that
me
about
and
me. I
you
said them
depend this
something
have to
there.
pick
Them is
Canada
something them me
visa and
not say.
booking.
But
Wait
you
up
come
and do
out
with
here
it.
a bit so you make the people them nervous. Like why them
Me have
argument they reach
based
outside? Like
because if you say you not make no more money with me for me give waste man, Canada the next biggest money for make. So if
no,
you
but
come
that's
and
not
threaten me,
my
I make
show.
sure tell
That's
us
not.
RT. Me
I'm
know say
Queenie. You have to
Canada come up
know.
there for Canada for me. So what if you tell me no, say Queen pick Canada or do it? Who you think me I go pick? Me I ask you, RT.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter to me right now.
Queenie, pick Canada or do it. Only thing Queenie I go pick my people. And then do it the other way around. Do it. Pick Canada or Queenie. Who do you go pick? If he said do would have pick Queenie right now in other state right now, he would have pick Queenie. Unless Queenie tell him say go on, him would have go. Because me think him learn him lesson from the last time.
Husband come back,
Artie.
everything.
Tell me now, say Queenie pick Canada or Dowey. Who you think me gonna pick? May I ask you, Artie?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter to me right now. Yeah, you are living
Let
life.
me
Your
tell you,
husband come back,
Artie.
everything changed. So
Artie, me just
I
sell
never
my
listen to me.
soul.
You want me be honest? I never expect you to go to Canada because it wasn't on your mind. Every day I call you. Where is the picture? Where is the document? Where is it? May I come
And my
from the live
husband
and
was
bust it
looking
out
at the
just to
picture.
make the people
Archie,
them send you.
don't
I
exaggerate.
push to help you.
Archie,
Queen, me
I
never
was
do it for me,
interested
I
in
do it for
Canada.
you.
Archie, don't tell me that. Me did interested. Me just did busy. All
But me
about
say me I do
housing.
it for you, Queenie.
Archie, I was doing housing, property. So my brains was busy. Thanks for you to remind me. I mean to say me never. When me get Canada booking from you, Archie, me not have no husband in a picture. Me not have no husband in a picture. So now me see her blackmail me. I
How me
tell me say,
blackmail you? Don't use that word. You're telling lie on me, Queenie. I never
it's
do no blackmail.
blackmail.
Just get back to say in
It
my
is
head.
blackmail, Archie, because you say, you're not giving spend no more money for me for me to spend for waste, man.
Okay.
That's rude.
Okay, all right. So hear me out now. That's the only negative things me say. I mean, know you and your husband. I expect. Just hear me out. Now, expect me to say something negative because we're on the opposite. But me never say nothing bad. And him then at the background, you know, feel out in the light. Him not no problem for address the story. But that's why I say, hear me where me I come from because I'm not here to try fire, but me still have to burn a little fire how me feel. If them are telling me it's not
Archie,
blackmail, it's
Archie,
not
you still
blackmail.
can't have, Archie, but you pay me for a paid job. So it should not come in between us as friend,
So
Archie. That's a
you
paid
don't
job
think
you're
somebody
doing.
have all right, so me not no feelings.
Your
Well,
feelings.
it's time when me you laugh and a smile and about champagne and one thing I can do, say me not hypocrite. And one thing me straight. From me and I do all the time when you see me there around me, I never mention nothing about our husband. Anytime you see me and I talk, we never discuss our husband and I'm never dare to tell her I left her husband. I never talk about her husband. Anytime you see me and her Jamaica in the champagne energy and the excitement, it's all about Queenie. Live local life, man, and be free to say yes, very right. I never stay
So, Archie, why
behind the
may I
in
go at
front.
it then,
Nothing
Archie?
about her
Why
husband.
may I go at it now, darling?
No, we're not got it, but me just want the people and
But
to know and
Archie,
you
why
for remember say we
you
never
come and say
discuss
you're
it.
not giving no more your money for me give the ears waste man like you get up
Because
every
me I
week
tell you
and
how me
send me
feel towards the whole story, Queenie. Me can't publicly say me not agree, but me still have to drop my word like me not to agree. But everybody know what me I try say.
But Archie,
The
you
same thing
were
when me I
saying
run
that
from
you're
his you.
nervous, so you felt it. You're a spiritual reader. When you were
Yeah,
saying
but even when we are digging out, you tell we lie. Me even use the fans them for help dry it out. You trick the wall away the whole
I
day.
ain't even
You even trick
telling
we.
a lie.
You
Me
know,
not, me not order.
you know, me realize that something. What I quit, you know, we realize that something, something we just remember when I bring the topic. You know, you use and say, "Me I go on the road now. Me I go where and you go in the vehicle. Normally, you would have drive on the bumper
Archie,
flat road and travel with me. So it's up to me. You
Archie,
know what I do.
Archie. You see that same day? At the first me hear from my husband on 10 minutes ago. Me never like to share to nobody, Archie. Me still in a shock. Me that for hold back something, Artie. I want to Artie. After me come by internet, come disgrace this man. And this man disgraced me. And it backfire upon me. And him run and left me for 6 months. And the first time he reached out to me for come telling I line our blood
And
clot tell Artie.
may I ask you a question? I assume
Excuse my language.
me,
Artie! Once bitten, twice shy, me learn me lesson, Artie. So when you tell me say me lie to you, me not own or not no RT. Me remember my action. I remember me lie down and have sleepless night. Because me too real and me come out and when me say do me this and me hurt. I it see a man backfire for me RT. So when you say you're nervous and you lean back for the day, me nervous to RT. Me nervous. Cause I can't believe me just talk to the man on the phone. Drop out of my hand and me not tell nobody cause I can't believe the man talk to me. Understand me? I mean, I want to say something and if I'm going to call me back. So I'm nervous too. So I go on the internet and I say, do it. I want to be a friend. Me not tell nobody say him reach out to me because me learn from a mistake could have come stop me the whole I do. If
all
I'm
right,
not
Queenie,
satisfied,
all right,
it would have killed me.
Queenie, Queenie. Nobody stop you from express yourself, but we have to share the conversation. All right, and you are the one who have vent. And one of the things we realize, you don't really take no talk, you listen. And
RT,
everybody know that.
my
You
pretty
know,
them
listen.
son right there where I go through the door. I'm in the right of the patio set, darling. I'm going to see the phone ring. Remember, and the film number, me don't know the number. I'm going to answer the phone. Not even my pity them could I tell to do it call me the way I'm shocked. You understand me? Me stand up there when me hear him press the phone jump out of my hand and me start laugh. And me say, do it? I really do this and me say, my wife, me have to reach out to you because I'm hold you too long. Me not going to share that with nobody. And my little comfort that. So what you mean by I to leave me alone? Nobody no work out my life for me. When do I quote me? I'm him alone today. I not live for nobody but myself. True, true,
Queenie, let
true.
me say something to you. I'm not here to tell you. I want to clarify
Right
this.
now, them say me
You see,
chat
people who
much.
want to be real with
No, me
Queenie,
not
but if
chat.
you be
Them
real,
say
she
me
going to cuss me,
leave
so I just have to keep
me.
quiet.
People, I don't know if it's about this, you know. Big woman thing. Can't tell a big woman how to live her life. And this to me, this is like a more than love. You know what I mean? Is, me no know. This not really, this not natural. For a woman love a man, so. You see me I say? Queenie really love the dog. So, she passed the limit. You know what I mean? She push love to the full limit and pass it. I don't know which part today I know. So we have to just leave this woman and make she love her man. You see me I say? Because it looked to me like if this man here left her and there with the next woman and really in a relationship with somebody else and she can't get him back none at all, she a go mad out. Me I tell her that. You see me I say? So we just have to accept her for that. She love the man. Just leave it at that. But me feel like say to myself, me feel like say him stop hurt her, you know, because him go out there and see say boy nothing not out there and come back. You know what I mean? So we just have to wish them all the best. That's all.
You see, me just a keep quiet. Just a keep quiet. Because me now want to get me advice to you. Queenie, me say something. I know Queenie, me say something to you, Queenie.
I see me the why you know, gunman come on my blood clot and I match on the vehicle. I will leave me have a good
All
time.
right, me go
Serious.
calm
I
down
me
now,
the why you
Queenie.
know from
Queenie,
nobody
I
to
want it,
come kill.
Queenie.
I don't come kill blood clot man if you don't love me. Me don't want
All right, Queenie,
nobody
calm
else.
down.
Nothing.
Calm down, darling. Be darling, calm down. Let me say something to you.
If me never have the spirit of ever believe in a God and faith, more than the righteous of
Let me
them
say
that I don't
something to you.
leave me.
Queenie, can I say
Leave me
something to
with my
you?
emotion and leave me.
You see, eh, let me say something. Queenie, let me say something. May I ask you, as a friend and a respectable person, you see the argument there with the wagwan at the yard because I really respect you as a big woman. I'm asking you, please, to do not bring it on the social media. Nah, this year when me say that, it's just for the benefit. I'm going to say something to the fans, them. You see, when you have people and fire blood clot cast and fire and run and then all stumble down, it that look like an idiot. But I'm going to tell my sister and my brother this. Queenie, I don't know if Queenie going to cut me out, but me tell you something. You see, monkey have fire and get run for cool and look who fi dead for cool it. My God, woman, prophecy to God. Queenie, you need prayer. Queenie, you need prayer. Nobody that disagree with your marriage, but you need prayer. Because now me clearly
Auntie,
I
you need
see
prayer. You have a
everybody
marriage?
need prayer.
Auntie,
Everybody
you know
need
you
prayer.
have a wife.
I know
Maybe I
nothing
just
bad,
tell too
Queenie.
much.
I know nothing bad when me
Prayer,
say it, you know.
Auntie, you need prayer. You need to go down and work
I
for
know nothing
yourself.
bad.
You
Lord have
need to
Jesus
revive to your
Christ.
own self. You need prayer, Auntie.
So Queenie, is
Auntie,
that
know me
something
short
bad I
prosper.
said?
Oh, no, no, bring down a burden for me more than what they for me. Me not suffer more than nobody else. One woman send some money from America, come give me this money. Me no need prayer. Who broke or hungry need blood clot prayer. No, not sorry for me. I make you look like I'm a life person and nobody else. I am fine. You don't have a wife, Artie. You're a liar. And that is a blood clot. I'm going to need prayer. That way you think I
What is
Me
can't
do,
get
no?
so
stuck.
yeah,
Don't
disrespect me. Remember,
patronize
me
me.
have a
Artie,
wife. Me
don't
have a
pass me
man.
no patronize
So who
man.
me have a wife?
If you
Me
did
have
have
a
a
man.
married,
Me
if
have
you
a
did
man.
married, you know why I know you're married, direct artist, the way you're right.
You better broke up. You better broke up. This remind me of the Ninja Man interview with Emily when she in a film business about him woman. You see me I say, and then when the dog flip the script on her, you know, and I say, you know, say your man must not like you. She I say, that is my personal business. We're gonna take a break. And the dog I say, you better broke up.
You wreck your marriage, and before you go sort out your marriage, you over here and try friend. If
Me have
you're
a man.
married, you know why I know you're married, wreck artist, the way you ramp with me. You wreck your marriage, and before you go sort out your marriage, you over here and try sort out. You see, until I stay with Nikki, and you can big up Nikki and miss it, so you take care of Nikki artist. Right now, you're Nikki have problem. That's why you're over here in my problem. Leave me alone.
RT boss marriage alright.
I
Me
buy a
feel so.
I buy a mansion for my wife.
Let me just say something this song. Me always see RT boss wife and me never really see her with no disrespectful face, no sad face, nothing like that. Me feel like say she understand RT boss. You know what I mean? Me feel so. Because me never see them in no argument. She never come on the internet with nothing. You see me I say, although it may seem so upon the scene, but behind the scene it different. But me never see no sign of she like this Gosheim or whatever. She always a smile and it's either she a deal with whatever she a deal with and whatever. You know what I mean? Although it can look so but it different still.
And me buy for my wife.
You're in my problem. Leave me alone.
I buy a mansion for my wife. A mansion me buy for my wife. And buy a
RT
two
money can't
vehicle
buy
and a
love. You buy
diamond
her
ring. My wife
mansion, but you
my
not
wife
spend
couldn't
the
have no
time with
problem,
her.
Queenie.
And you not make the
No,
question, no matter how much
but
money
Queenie,
you
why
give
are you
her, RT.
disrespecting me
And
them
that you
way
need
there? Me
to
not step
fix.
if I disrespect me, but don't bring in wifey. Don't bring in wifey that the thing come here
You
kick you out
better
from
broke
men
up.
in the house and thing there, you
You
know?
Oh.
better broke up. You
Oh.
better
So you
broke
have to
up.
talk about me and tell me I need prayers.
No,
Because
but me
You
never said
better
the
broke
prior.
up
I
you
never
RT
said the
boy.
condemn
prior
me.
in a
So
bad
you
way,
don't need
Queenie.
prayers. Something wrong with me, so I need prayers. The whole of we need prayers, RT.
But me never
We
say
don't use
bad,
prayers
Queenie.
to insult people, but are the greatest thing. You need prayers to your marriage, RT. When you start
Yeah,
out
you
your
know this your
marriage and I can't
classmate
see
and me
her,
work with
Nikki,
it.
then you can't talk to me. You can't tell me nothing. I'm a RT. You don't have no marriage. Your marriage pop down, that's why you're
Queenie,
in
why are
my
you
marriage. You hear
disrespect? All
that?
right, Queenie. No, no,
Your
that's what
marriage
you do
pop
now.
down,
You
that's why
disrespect the
you're in
car.
You
my
better
marriage. You
broke
do
Queenie,
up.
not have no marriage. No, 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 no,
Queenie,
no. You do not
you're
have no marriage.
disrespecting me
No,
and you
no,
need
no,
to
no,
know what
no.
you're
That's
doing
why
now.
you
Stop
want
that.
my. That's why you want me mess up my one
Hmm?
Yo,
Queenie,
RT, man.
look at
yo, yo, people, Queenie a drama, you know. You hear the people them a laughing at the background. Oh, the blow. This coming like stay back in the days when you have picnic and you had trouble your friend too. Yo, Queenie. Queenie a drama, Reggie.
look at the beautiful house me buy to my wife. Why you would have said that, Queenie? Look, don't do that, darling, man. You know say me a friend.
Queenie
And the
said,
beauty, and my
nah, nah,
name.
nah,
Look
nah,
there, you see
you don't got
RT
no
in my yard,
wife.
in
RT,
my
look how
yard.
much
Don't do
beautiful
that,
things
darling.
me do to my husband. Why would you say that, RT? Why would you say that? Are the same for the same.
Me never say
Your wife
anything
run a
anyway.
girl left the RT. She sleep in a one room, and you sleep in a one room. Speak the truth, RT.
Go on again. What you say?
Your wife sleep in one bedroom and you sleep in another. Your wife is not speaking to you and she's not giving you any nookie.
All right.
Sort out your marriage and leave me
All right. Where you
alone.
get? All right. So where you get that narrative from?
RT. But no matter where I get it from,
Feel
I
like
tell you.
RT and him wife
Yeah, your
good
wife,
still.
they're in a two separate room. When your wife come home at night time and she barely call to you when she left her man and she barely call to you. When you sort out that and you and Nicky reunite together, then you can't talk to me. You can't tell me none of your marriage the on pause, RT. Your marriage is on pause.
Well,
Feel like RT
you know,
boss
they know she
marriage
gone at ages, so she
is
can't
like
answer that still.
a polygamy
But
relationship.
when me tell me
Not
can't
saying
come
him
for me
wife I
for?
do nothing still
You
know,
say
but
come
him
and
she
need
Yeah,
God
they
alone
look
see
at
the
my
insult.
certain
TV drop
things.
off and
Is
broke
a
today. I
God
look for me
insult.
car.
Who godly like me? You rude RT. You can't be my friend
Look
and
at
not
Queenie.
insult me. You can't be my friend and not indirectly throw a word from me. I'm quick, I'm smart RT. I am a good woman of
Queenie.
God.
All Right, ask the fans them.
RT, so
Ask
for you to
anybody.
come
Let
and
me
tell
just
me
say
that
this.
I
Ask
need God, that's an
anybody.
insult. I am God. I am godly. God is with me. God is in me.
Queenie.
Me just say you're a talk about
Queenie.
faith.
When I said you need prayer, ask the people in the shop where they beside you. When I said you need prayer, I refer to the story and
Don't
said
let me to
where the
take that
pastor
prayer no
is
more.
there, and when the pastor say it look
Come
like
like me
Lord
take RT,
Queenie.
like me
That's
RT.
what
RT, you
I
sure
never
you
said it
never
in the
put me to
disrespectful
sleep and
way.
fuck me up for your house? RT.
Huh?
So
I
what
go to
is
me
now?
have my three soldier them there. RT, you know, some of you say you put me to and fuck me. Dear me, you argue. What we argue for RT?
All right.
Me, you not supposed.
Why
Me,
people
you
are saying
argue
that
that
shit? Hold on.
husband
Why
and
would you
wife. This
say
don't make no fucking sense, brother.
we can't do this with the comment? The people them say may I change my subject. Like if you not listen to the story, it's the story. One thing with me now, I don't like to play a hypocrite role. Me talk straight up out of my mouth. The only fucking thing I get me upset now, me can't talk how me want to talk. And I am being the best talker right now. So don't make it look like me I try this nobody. Because if me did want this, me come right. Everybody knows that my mouth brawling just like Queenie mouth. Me not this. Look how much time Queenie diss me before her husband come and me work with it. Me only
Me never
calculate the
diss you yet,
dissing.
RT. Me cuss you. Know the difference. Me never diss you yet, RT. Me cuss you.
So what you do right now? Diss me or cuss me? Which one?
Me I cuss you now. Me not diss you.
Yeah, but you have to understand, say, I'm not, and Queenie, this is need for understand, yeah? And before your husband come, enough time you cuss me this me, and me take it, and the people must say, Fred, I never
That's right. Me love
disrespect
you.
your back. And
But you
I
cuss
try
me
to tell you,
back
say, I
too.
am not doing it because I never saw the people them know me do it. You cuss me.
You're too sensitive and shame. Me not cuss you. Me just make beer nice for you, man. Go, man. You know.
So after them did a talk about like RT boss say I go like leave Queenie alone and because everything was going because him and Dewey no good and you know what I mean Dewey back in a Queenie life and them something there. You see me I say and then Queenie ask him like if him a go like go take on Amari you know like how him want left from around she. You know what I mean? And him a say boy him just a go left. Him not go, you know what I mean, go link with Amari, nothing like that. But them did a talk afterwards, my people, and sitting. But where people have to understand, Queenie love do it differently. I don't know, normal love that. You understand? So them just have to accept her for that. Because if she left do it, she feel like say I end that for her. As me I say my people, you have to be in love to understand what Queenie maybe I got through. Me never feel them the type of way about nobody yet. And would I never want to feel them type of way there, not even half. But nobody yet. And would want to feel them type of way there, but nobody. You understand? Not even half of how she feel about him. Because when you build a mind for join, you have to also build a mind for part. You understand? So you can't uncontrollably love somebody. You understand me I say? But to each his own and everybody love different. You see it, me just wish her all the best. I hope say boy do it not take disadvantage of her because him know say she love him so deeply. Hope say him take care of her heart. You understand? But eventually, me no know if them are go get all together because Dewey much younger than she. Dewey maybe about 20 something years younger than she. So when she reach certain age in her life, she can't go hold him. You know what I mean? So me don't know if I'm gonna left her or I'm gonna stick around. Whatever, me can't plan for the future because you don't know what tomorrow may bring. You know what I mean? But just wish them all the best, my people. You just have to understand, say Queenie love Dewey, gone to bed, hands down, deeply, all of them words there. You see me? And nobody can do nothing to stop it unless she in herself want left him. And me not think that I got ever happen. So just let me know what you think in the comment, my people. I got end it right just so.